Hey there, Gareth from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're introducing a new star key can wrench kit to add to our line of locking and unlocking security tools, part number SSK-600. Along with our SSK-716 can wrench, this kit also includes the SSK-60 star key that's perfect for opening LQ 8-point flower patterns and LB 8-point star pattern locks. For security reasons, we can't show you this tool working on the panel the key was designed for. So for the purpose of this demonstration, here's how it works on a sample lock, and here are some standout features. The star key is two-sided, so you can switch between patterns quickly. The can wrench features two 7/16-inch hex sockets, 1.5 inch deep on either end. The SSK-60 is made of hardened carbon steel, and the SSK-716 is made of heat-treated alloy steel sockets with high-impact thermoplastic handles. And of course, the SSK-716 is compatible with our entire line of star keys. By the way, it's covered under America's Best Tool warranty, so that it's made for life and guaranteed for life. So if you want a reliable solution for LQ and LB pattern locks, this star key can wrench kit is your go-to tool. Don't wait. Get your hands on one today. And again, if you've already tried it, let us know your thoughts in the comments. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.